सो आज का दिन हम सबके लिए एक रिमाइंडर है कि योगा सिर्फ बॉडी के लिए नहीं बल्कि माइंड और सोल के लिए भी एक गिफ्ट है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर माय जर्नी। मेरे लिए योगा एक पर्सनल जर्नी रही है जहाँ मैंने सिर्फ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ही नहीं बल्कि इनर पीस, पेशेंस, ग्रेटिट्यूड भी सीखा है। जब मैंने योगा करना शुरू किया था तो लगता था बस एक ये वर्कआउट है, लाइक मैंने वर्कआउट के लिए ही योगा करना स्टार्ट किया था। बट आज ये मेरा वे ऑफ लाइफ बन चुका है और सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मुझे तब मिलती है जब मैं आप सभी लोगों को योगा करते हुए देखती हूँ। लाइक आप में से कई सारे हैं जो मुझसे काफ़ी टाइम से जुड़े हुए हैं। एक उपासना मैम, नीनू मैम, आई गेस अभी नीनू मैम ने जॉइन नहीं किया। या सो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी लोग भी कुछ अपना शेयर करें, लाइक योगा जर्नी का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहें तो आप लोग कर सकते हैं। ओके, देन विल स्टार्ट। हम फिर प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करेंगे। विल डू स्मॉल फ्लो टुडे। सो दिस रेज अ हैंड जिन जिनको कुछ अगर शेयर करना है तो, लाइक शशि मैम, भारती जी, मोनिका जी, if you want to share something, कुछ भी शेयर कर दीजिए, लाइक हाउ यू गाइस स्टार्टेड डूइंग योगा और anything.
I started yoga with flexibility. I had knee pain, and if I'm doing yoga daily, my knee pain is reduced, and my stress level is also reduced. So, and I face that means the whole day is calm, very calm. I take all my things very calmly, and that is why I'm doing. And I can feel more than weight and all. I can feel the positivity in me. So more positivity because life is all negative only around. So you should have more positive to deal with it, and which you should ignore, which you should not ignore, which you should take it to your mind, and how
Yeah,
you should take it to your mind.
yeah, exactly.
So that is why I try to do it daily, and I hope I'm feeling relaxed. I like the pranayama especially, but still everything seems to be okay with me. So this is my journey, and I would like to have more knee exercise because so that I walk and I am totally day I am okay with my day. One day is okay, then all other days will flow okay. Each day makes a day. It makes all a month and everything. So this is my journey, and I thank you for teaching me the yoga and being consistent with it. I thank you. I thank you wholeheartedly.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your journey.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Yes,
मैम।
Bharti ji.
मैम मैं योगा से पिछले 2 साल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ और हार्ट पेशेंट हूँ मैं। काफी
Okay.
डिप्रेशन में रहती थी थोड़ा सा। हालांकि प्राणायाम वगैरह नहीं करती थी, वॉक तो मैं हमेशा ही करती थी। अभी भी मैं 15 किलोमीटर वॉक करके बैठी हूँ आपके सामने।
Wow.
और
That's
65 ईयर मेरी एज है।
okay.
तो जब जब से मैंने शुरू किया है योगा प्राणायाम तो काफी अच्छी तो नींद आती है, लाइट रहती हूँ, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है, हो गई है बिल्कुल। और जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी पहले थी लेकिन अब बहुत ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, सारे दिन एनर्जेटिक रहती हूँ। तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आप सब कराते हैं, बहुत अच्छा कराते हैं। मैं तो रेगुलरली आप लोगों को नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाती, कभी किसी के साथ, कभी किसी के साथ, कभी किसी के साथ, एज टाइम मुझे जैसे मिलता है। लेकिन वाकई सभी बहुत अच्छा कराते हैं। और जिस दिन मैं नहीं करती तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है यानी क्या मैं भूल गई हूँ, क्या रह गया मेरा, जो बॉडी। बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा है योगा, बहुत अच्छा है और मैं करती ही रहूंगी, हमेशा करूंगी। मुझे
Thank you
अपनी
so
एज का पता नहीं चलता, इससे मुझे कोई घुटने उठने में पेन नहीं, कोई नथिंग। 65 ईयर एज में भी मैं बताओ 15 किलोमीटर अगर मैं चल लेती हूँ, डेली की वॉक करती हूँ, तो इट इज
Wow.
गुड थिंग। थैंक यू
Okay.
मैडम,
Thank
थैंक
you
यू
so
फॉर
much,
ऑल
ma'am.
ऑफ।
Thank you so much. Keep practicing. Okay. Now, next, Ruplata ma'am. Okay. Shashi ma'am, please mute yourself. Yes. Monica ma'am, Shanti ma'am, Ruplata ji, want to share something? Anything like how you started or how you're feeling after doing yoga?
Hi, everybody.
Hi,
I'm
Shanti ji.
Shanti. Yeah, hi. I've been doing yoga for last 20 years. But I was in Gurgaon, Haryana, I mean Delhi, near Delhi. So there I had a teacher who comes home from morning. I used to have 7 to 8 or 8 to 9. The moment my children used to go to school, I used to start yoga. But 5 years back, I shifted to Hyderabad. So here I couldn't find any teacher. That time then Corona started and all thing. I used to do it at home. But last 3 years, some laziness has crept inside me, and I stopped everything, doing anything. Nothing I used to do. Just relax, and slowly I had a problem in my knees. I couldn't get on the stairs or come down the stairs. I had problems. Then I said, no, again I have to start. But I couldn't go out somewhere because I stay very far off from the city. So it takes 30 to 40 kilometers every day for me to go into the city and come back. So I thought it's a time waste. Then I started looking online. Then I got into your website. Then in from December I joined into this. So now the recently the new problem which is coming into ladies is, which I was told by my daughter, is also a doctor. So that is the blood flow in legs and hands are getting reduced. Because of that,
Yeah.
the nerves are getting and you get ghat in the, what you call, Hindi mein ghat bolte
Yeah,
hain na,
yeah.
wo ho raha hai. So these cases are getting more in the women who are more than 50 years old. Because it may have started earlier, but because we will be working, we'll never notice that. But nowadays, so wherever you go, my daughter is finding women who are little age, they are getting into these problems because of the low blood flow in the hands and legs. So then I said, okay, then I should start. Then I'm doing regularly yoga with you, but the same as the Bharati ji has said, I'm doing with each session with each people. Sometimes when I'm in the free, I'm doing in the morning. Some when I'm in the free in the evening, I'm
Yeah.
doing in the evening. So that is the thing. Thank you for all of you, all the instructors or teachers for helping us
Thank
out.
you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Shanti
very
ji.
much.
Practicing. Okay, yes, Monica ji.
Ma'am, actually, I started this journey 3 years back with Always Yoga. In between, I lost my motivation. Again, I joined, and due to this transfers, we get lot of transfers. I joined in gym and everything, and nowhere I didn't get any peace. So again, with my PCOS, no, I'll go back to this Always Yoga. I find nice, like I get full of positivity here. So again, I joined from this June. I thought that I will not leave this for my entire life. I can continue with this. That's why, and that is my journey with this.
Okay, thank you
I
so
like
much,
you.
Monica ji.
I like you only. I joined like 2 other classes, but I don't know. I got connected to you.
Thank you so much, Monica ji.
I'm preparing for that 8:30. No, I used to join. I need to join at 8:30. Like, thank you.
So sweet of you. Thank you so much. Yes,
Thank
Ruplata ma'am.
Hi, good morning,
Hi.
everyone. Yeah. Actually, I am practicing yoga for last 20 years, but not regular, now and then. Yoga gives me both physical strength and mental strength. The mental strength also. That's why I prefer yoga than gym, walking, everything. I have knee problem and ankle problem also. So yoga is good for me and for everyone. I feel yoga is good. So it improves the blood circulation and flexibility. It gives so much of positiveness, and I think it is very good for everyone. So and that too, I am working. So this online is very good, and always yoga is very good, and it is having flexible timings, either in morning or evening, at whatever we want to do, we can connect. So I prefer this. It is good for me, and thank you for teaching and taking care of yoga practice. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ruplata ji. Yes, Ritu ma'am, Anu ma'am. Okay. Yes, Anu ma'am कुछ शेयर करना है आपको क्लासेस से रिलेटेड या कुछ भी?
जी राधे राधे मैम।
राधे राधे,
मैं
बताइए।
मुझे 17 साल से 18 था, लेकिन मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया। जो हेड मैम है उनका मैंने वो ही मुझे ज्वाइन कराई है। हमको ज्वाइन करने भी नहीं आता था, लेकिन मैंने क्लास करा के मेरा सूजन भी कम हुआ, वजन भी कम हुआ और पेन भी कम है। क्यों झूठ बोलूंगी, पेन भी काफी कम है। और जब मैं क्लास करती हूँ योगा का, तब तो मेरा पैर अभी जैसा भारी रहता है, क्लास करते ही खुल जाता है, पूरा एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाता है शरीर। ये तो मैं मानूंगी, और जब तक रहूंगी तब तक योगा क्लास जिंदाबाद है मेरे लिए। और दूसरी बात है कि ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये क्लास जो आप कराते हैं दीपक मैम, बहुत बढ़िया कराते हैं, मुझे बहुत पसंद है। जिंदगी भर जब तक रहूंगी तब तक योगा क्लास करूंगी।
थैंक यू सो मच अनु मैम।
83 मेरा वजन था और अभी मेरा 77 पे वजन कम हो गया है। जो पहले का
जी।
कपड़ा नहीं पहनती थी अभी पहनती हूँ और बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सब कोई मुझे टोकता है, कहाँ क्या कर रही हो जो तुम्हारा वजन इतना कम हो गया है, क्या कर रही हो। मैं बेस्ट हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ इसमें। बहुत अच्छा, धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. So much. Okay. Yes, Ritu ma'am, want to share something? Anything about this
Hello,
class?
ma'am.
Yeah. Hi.
Um, Actually, newly I joined ना, हमको कुछ भी I don't have any idea about yoga. So मैंने सिर्फ 2 weeks ही हुआ है, तो I don't have any problem. हमको कुछ बीमार नहीं है। तो मैं तो यूजुअली जिम करती हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स डू सम योगा ना, तो मैंने इसलिए ज्वाइन किया है। एंड आई वांट टू बी forever young. So मैं अभी 33 की हूँ, तो हमेशा यंग रहना चाहती हूँ। सो इसलिए मैंने ज्वाइन किया है दिस योगा क्लास। या
Okay. Okay. Anyone else want to share something? Nirmala
Mom,
ji.
yes, I want to share my experience with yoga. Actually, I joined yoga. I started yoga 5 years before, and that too. Actually, I had severe back pain, so I consulted so many doctors, and finally they've suggested me surgery for my back. So then someone told me that yoga will be good, and I'm from Hyderabad, and I was not aware of any yoga teachers here. So luckily, one of my daughter's friend, their relative was a yoga teacher, and she agreed to teach me yoga. So that was online. And when I started yoga, my back pain started reducing. So I think I continued for 1 year with her online only.
Okay.
So my back pain has completely reduced, and due to some her personal reasons, she stopped giving classes. And I got so used to yoga that I just wanted to do it, and so I just checked online and I got this. So I always like yoga. First, I just took 1 month subscription. I thought I'll just try how it will work. And later I've gone for 3 months, then 6 months, then now every year I just do it yearly because I got so used, and from then, see, I avoided the surgery totally. Now I don't have back pain. So with my age, I have knee pains that are bearable. So with yoga, I feel very good. So like others told, one day if I miss the class, I just feel like I'm missing something that day. But with my
Yeah.
daughters and all, with my personal issues, I miss the classes. But always yoga gives me the flexibility to join any class. So I'm not. Usually I join 6:30 class, but today I got delayed with my daughter's thing, so I joined this class. So your class is first to me actually. This is the first time I'm joining your class, but I'm regularly joining
Okay.
6:30 or 7 a.m. classes. So I just
Okay.
say that yoga helped me with my back pain. So no, I don't have back pain.
Okay.
That's
Thank
all.
you so
Thank
much,
you.
everyone, for sharing your beautiful journey and thoughts.